Yo guys, welcome back. This is Alexander Tipicito, also known as Chai Thip. Today's video is just gonna be a back testing video. I'm just gonna be practicing my trades and my strategy overall. It's been a minute, but I wanted to upload something on the channel, so let's get into it. Gonna start off 50k. Min Q. Wait, hold up. Last one. And for the month, we are going to be generating a random month, so that a random month and year, so that this is just pure randomness, like pure random data. And 26. Choose random. Yeah. So let's see what we get. August 2023. So that's gonna be testing for today. I'll just do the 31st to. Okay, let's go. Okay. Let's see what happens. Just gonna go next session and we're gonna start out. Okay. So this is, I might change the canvas one sec. Okay. So this is 9 a.m. As you can see, we have a high here and a low down here. We also have like maybe relative equal lows, but I don't like that as liquidity. Like, not say relative equal lows and equal lows are really good targets, but I just don't like that specific relative equal lows. So I'm just gonna be targeting that low. Right now we're also in an hourly gap, so we'll see if we inverse this. I want to be bearish, but if we respect it, I want to be bullish. So we'll find out. Okay. Let's see. Okay, pushing up. Can you get a retrace before? Oh, can you retrace? We're just shopping right now. We're probably gonna sweep this draw or not. Okay, tested. So now we're just chopping right now, but I want to see if we can get out of this level of support right here, or that key area basically. I might go 5 seconds. I might take shorts here. The reason why is because that low is very prominent here. I just don't like stop loss. I don't like stop loss, but I'll risk it. I might lose this trade just because I don't like the stop loss placement. Like, it's not as a protective stop. Ideally, I could have entered earlier, but I wanted that low just to be sure. The reason why I'm taking shorts: one, we basically invest the hourly. Two, we have that low here, have another low there. We basically got more lows here compared to the high just here. So we also got this low here, that low. We basically like almost have stacked liquidity, and that's a good sign. So I right now want to be leaning towards more bearish, seeing if that could go lower. Yeah, and as you can see, boom, we hit TP. That was very smooth, very clean, very easy. Again, we have stack lows here, and then obviously that low we inverse that hourly, leaning more bearish overall is more stronger than bullish because we only have one drawn liquidity here and that's it. Then we dumped, retraced a little bit, then dumped more with clean displacement, so I entered and we got that trade. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. On to the next day. Okay, we got that hourly here and basically that high. We're in a 4-hour gap, so I want to be careful. Basically, I'm just trying to lean more towards bullish. You would probably go and sweep these draws without getting a retrace though. If we do go lower, probably want to go to that next 4-hour, but it's most likely not. Yeah, we're just dropping. Well, that retrace. If we end pink, then I don't want to enter this trade. Yeah, I'm not entering that next day. Okay, as you can see, we're clearly bearish because we got high, low, lower high, then lower low, and then lower high again. So my draws on liquidity, if we do flip bullish, I have that high right here. If we flip bearish, I got that high here. And then if we go even more bullish, we have that next hourly up. Okay, how's the 5-minute looking? Nothing really seeing it yet. I want to see a retracement. Okay, I like that flip out. Oh, 1 sec. I'll be back. Okay, I am back. I was just on call with my girlfriend just before. Let's get back into it. We see displacement here. I'll probably okay, I low-key missed that then. I was gonna go in the 5-second chart, but I probably would have entered keeping stops around there, and then targeting the taking that, yeah. Okay. Sorry, I wasn't even talking. This is the next day. Right now we're in a downtrend. I'm expecting us to go lower, taking that low. We're also gonna be in a 4-hour gap, so this is probably gonna be a no trade day because we're gonna be in a 4-hour gap and there's no targets lower. V2. Yep, we're gonna sweep. We swept. And then we just chop. Is that gonna be a good trade? Oh, I like that. Okay, I might take this. Alright, the reason why is because we swept liquidity. We started getting displacement lower. Oh, what candle is this one? We started getting displacement a bit lower. We swept liquidity. Then we have that low sitting. So we'll see what happens. This trade might fail though because 1, we're close to 10:30, and then 2, we just came out of chop and we were chopping a bit before 2. We'll see what happens though. If it fails, it is what it is. Doesn't. Okay, I'll push stops to break even. just because I want to de-risk a bit. Okay, we probably made a SMT there, but yeah, that's fine. It is what it is. On to the next day. Friday. Right now we're chopping a little bit. I don't like freshly new like candles as like liquidity. Got that low there, got that high here. See what happens. I just want to wait for trend to formate because I don't know what we're trending at. Okay. Oh, probably should have taken that. I would have potentially like this would have not been a bad setup if we just like roughly like entered off of that, because that means like testing 5 minutes to, yeah, that would have been actually alright. Is there any other liquidity? Maybe that draw next, but I want to rebalance first. Then we just go lower. Okay. Okay. I do want to see a bit more. Looks like we're gonna trend lower. Came in. Okay, I'll probably take shorts here, just cause we did start to change structure here. I can have my stops pretty big too, so a bit more breathable, which is good. We swept low, lower high, and then low low, and then we retested again. It looks like we're gonna be pushing towards that drawn liquidity lower. I want to see what happens though, so we'll wait and find out. Okay, one more. Okay, pushing stops to break even. Damn, and we get hit. Won't break even again. It is what it is. It's fine. Wasn't the most valid, I guess, because again we did sweep liquidity before. We don't usually react that well off to the next roll liquidity. It's okay. Move on to the next day. Okay, another Monday. Here we go. We got that high here. I like that 1 hour. Looks like, oh, we are in an hourly gap as well. Just gotta be careful. Okay, I do want to see us push higher towards that draw liquidity because we're obviously closer than the draw towards the downside. Okay, we're gonna sweep, boom, get instant reaction. Okay, going low. V-shape recovery here. So anything higher? Okay, no. Nothing for us to really target. We just start dropping afterwards. Next session. Like that high. Nothing for us to really target towards the downside realistically. Unless, nothing for us to really target. So I want us to target that high first. Because what's there to target? Like, that draw liquidity all the way to the downside? Not really. So probably on a trade day because we don't have anything to target. Yeah, not trading that. Wednesday, we got that high here. We got that 4 hour gap here as well. I'll probably want to be going higher after we hit that 4 hour gap. So we hit. Let's if we inverse. Me to the next line. Okay, it looks like we're inversing. It looks like we're inversing. So I want to see if we can push lower than. Okay, I'm taking that trade easily. Looks like we're inversing. It looks like we're not gonna hold that 4 hour gap. Obviously, we can see that we are expanding lower. So this is a riskier trade because obviously the 4 hour gap, but at the same time, is getting disrespected. So I want to see us push a bit lower. I don't like how we are formatting here. If we take a loss, that's okay. But okay, I'm break even right here just to de-risk. And as you can see, we hit pretty easy, pretty simple. It's a little bit chopped, but we got there in the end, which is fine. Okay, usually I place 5 trades, so this next, whatever the next trade is, might be the last one, the next trade or two. Okay, we got that low here, and then the high, and that high, the two highs above. It looks like we're trending towards the upside, but let's see where we can go. Oh, we're in a 4 hour gap, so I might want to be pushing towards bearish. Can we retrace? Is that 2 minute? That's 2 minute. Oh, I don't like that retrace. Looks like we're gonna be expanding higher there. This might be a riskier trade, but I don't think we will go lower. It looks like we will expand higher. This trade is more discretional because we did get a good reaction out of it. I'm expecting that our next draw liquidity will be that high there. Again, more discretional, but I do like what I'm seeing. Okay, let's see. Okay, break even. Whatever happens, happens. Boom, and that's about it. So yeah, quick, simple backtesting, backtesting day to day. I don't even think I took a loss. Yeah, 100% win rate. I had like 2 break evens, the rest were wins. Overall, pretty good, pretty simple. Hope you learned something from this. I am wanting to do more of these in the future, so you'll see maybe more backtesting videos when you do. And yeah, that's about it. See you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a good day. Peace.